Hi, John Branquist here, Director of Sales, PGP International, a company specializing in the developing and producing of extruded ingredients, pea protein, soy crusts, rice flours, and gluten-free products in a variety of shapes, sizes, and textures. Our soy, pea, and rice crusts are made of high-quality protein and formulated in a variety of shapes and sizes. This allows for the customization of textures and nutritional requirements for bars, breakfast cereals, clusters, protein snacks, and confectionery products. Our pack line of ingredients are natural alternatives to the chemical additives that are so often used in food preparation, as well as improving the taste and texture of existing and new product formulations. They also offer the consumer a cleaner, easier to read label. Our pack brand ingredients have been specially developed for the use in bakery, nutraceutical, dairy, condiments, sauces, and beverage-based applications. We produce a wide range of gluten-free rice flours in both conventional and organic formats, suiting the needs of both our domestic and international markets. Our products are designed for use in applications such as bakery mixes, cereals, energy, and nutrition bars. Our gluten-free rice and organic rice spreaders and coatings are the result of exclusive R&D, combining art and science to deliver the look, taste, mouthfeel, and brownie properties of traditional breadcrumbs. Prolific, our new range of texturized pea proteins, offer more versatility in the creativity and the development of familiar products using plant-based meats. Prolific is unique in that we can offer various combinations of shape, size, and protein content. This means that it can be tailored to a variety of product applications, including but not limited to plant-based burgers, meatballs, sausages, ground meat, seasoned meat replacements, and meat extensions. If you'd like to learn more about PGP and our amazing product line offerings, please look us up at www.pgpint.com. We look forward to hearing from you soon.